Welcome back to another video where I'll be playing.
Oh.
Okay, let's do this.
What?
I'm inside your game.
You're not inside. You're inside my game.
Yes.
Okay, done.
Thank you.
My arm's stuck. Help.
Are you actually stuck there? Okay, no.
Oh no! Wait, now it's not.
I mean, why are you so slow?
Dude, why did you copy my skin?
I didn't.
Dude, you're exactly like me.
I know. Yeah, I'm your kitty brother.
Why is my kitty brother so small?
I mean, I'm your little kitty brother. Maybe I could shrink more. Okay, I'll shrink more. I'll shrink more if you want to.
My screen's broken. I can't stop spinning.
Oh.
I can't stop spinning.
Oh, you can?
I can't stop spinning. Okay, let's let's show them the new update.
Let's do it. Okay, guys, there's a new update. There is new levels and a new update. Update night. Woo!
Okay, wait. Okay, I'm stuck. I'm gonna reset because I'm stuck. I can't. Oh, wait, that. Oh, yes, that works. You want to sword? You want to sword fight? Not even PvP.
I know.
Okay, we're going to sail the 7 seas to the newest stage.
The newest stage?
This amazing boat. We're going to sail the 7 seas in this amazing boat.
Let's do this.
Okay, we need a jetpack to get in it.
Okay, I'll get a jetpack.
We're going to sail the 7 seas in this beautiful boat right here.
Are you saying this thing?
Yes, this thing.
Just this?
Yes, it's this.
At least, can we at least like build around it?
No.
Okay, if we die.
Okay, fine, we'll build around it.
Yeah, build around it. But I'm leave a hole.
Stop. I got this.
Leave a hole.
No, stop. No, seriously, dude, stop. Okay. I got it. All we have to do is place this very magical block.
Okay.
This is my very magical block. It will. No, wait, I placed it wrong.
What's the magical block gonna do?
This is a magical block right here.
Okay. How's the magical? Oh yeah, it's that thing.
That's why it's magical. Okay, now get in. Let's get in.
Okay, I'm coming.
We're gonna sail the 7 seas. This is how the pirates did it.
Can you even come up? Can you even like glide?
I'm trying. There. Okay. Let's go.
Okay. Rick, hop on the
we're sailing the 7 seas.
The 7 seas, 7 seas, 7 seas will never end.
Dude, if you look on the thing, no!
Oh my god! Come on, quick! Come on, help! Come on! Come on, don't die to me! Don't die, no!
I died.
I'm dying too! If you die, I die too! Oh!
Don't die. You die. Don't tell me you did. Okay, there's an easier, better way to actually go there, okay? How about let's just do my way instead of your way?
Or we can use this.
Or I can just use this.
I was saying your. Oh yes, that, yeah. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect.
Okay, now I'm going to place your chair. I'm going to place your chair.
Okay. Wait, why did you make 2?
You know, I'm gonna place your chair. Don't place your chair. I'll place it.
I'm not.
I'll place the chair.
But I got a first try trophy. We only mine. I'll put my
Okay, get in the chair. Get in the chair.
I'll put my number one trophy. Okay.
That's your chair.
Yeah, I'll put my. Also, I gotta keep my number one trophy on there.
And don't put a trophy. It's gonna make weight, and we're gonna die because that's stupid trophy.
Okay.
So no trophies.
I will see you inside your
Trophies
iPad.
are bad. No trophies on the airplane.
I want to have a trophy.
Sorry, but no trophies on the airplane. Those are the rules in airplane school.
Punch you dead.
Okay, let's go.
Come on.
Dude, click the boat. Click the boat. Dude, click it.
Oh,
click
okay,
the boat. Oh, thanks. Like, I'm stuck.
Where are we going?
I can't control. Dude,
Oh, you
I'm
can't?
losing control. I can't control this.
Also, click yours, maybe. Oh, what's happening? We're going What's happening?
I have no control of this.
Wee, it's so fun. Wee.
This is not good. I can't control it.
It's fun for me. I can go upside down. Wee.
There. Is that fun?
We're falling.
Is this fun?
Wee. Whoop. What's happening? Click yours. Maybe click yours.
Yes, now I have control.
I can't. Thank God.
Oh, I don't have control. Dude, it's going up for no reason.
Oh. Skirt. Oh, no.
It's going up. Dude, I'm losing control. Why?
Why are you losing control?
Okay, I'm gonna take us to that new stage.
Okay. We just keep like womp. So I'm guessing this is the new stage.
Okay, this is the stage.
Okay. Whoa, a kraken?
Oh, this is cool. Wow. Dude, click the turbine.
It's so hard. I can't. It's moving.
Okay, don't click it.
I'm not.
Click the turbine. Click it. No,
Where is it?
There. Okay. Click it. What
was a click? What am I supposed to be clicking?
There. Okay, we unlocked the level, which is the squid level.
Wee.
I can't stop it. Look. My hands are off the keyboard right now.
I think it is just to stop our plane.
Okay, just reset.
No, I'm staying on the plane. I'm resetting. I'm not resetting, but I'm going down with the plane. If the plane goes down, I'm turning off all the boosts.
At least we barely got to see the thing. Barely.
Oh, football!
Hey, look, I got a chest.
Boy, I'm a ghost.
Okay, now we're going to see the new quest. I am going to load that.
Oh, wait, I got a wing chest. I have 13 of the wing chest.
Okay, don't place anything, Rhonda. Don't place anything.
Okay.
So this is the new quest.
What?
This is the new quest.
Okay. Oh, that?
Everything we place turns to ice.
Wait, what?
Yes.
Are you seeing a soccer ball well? Nope. How about chest?
Okay, some things
don't
turn.
It's ice!
I know.
Wait, will it turn this to ice?
I haven't tried this level yet.
Wait. I'm like an ice spear! I have an ice spear! This is the way to actually get an ice spear.
Ice.
And I have an ice spear. Look, I have an ice spear.
Stop. Give me
Wait, this will turn to ice? Oh,
some things don't turn to ice.
Oh, tank! Wait, how about this? Wait, I know! Butter! See, butter! Again, it's butter turns into ice.
That is very cold butter. Oh, did I mention every block has 1 HP?
Oh.
Every block we're replacing right now turns to 1 HP.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, I'm going to make our boats. I haven't tried the quest yet.
I'm gonna be this thing, okay? I'm gonna be this, okay?
Okay. You're gonna be in that? Well,
yeah.
I'll be in my modern home.
I'm gonna be in my ice home, okay?
I'll be in my modern home.
Oh, your modern home?
Yeah, I'll be in my.
Actually, I should gonna come with you.
You want to be in my modern home with me?
And also, of course, Butter has to be here, right? Of course, Butter has to be here, right?
No. Quit the butter. No butter. Butter ain't allowed.
Well, I'll make Butter home. I'm behind your thing.
No butter. Make your own home with Butter.
Okay.
Get a Butter and make his own home. This is mine. This is gonna be my modern home.
I'm gonna be with you.
But Butter's not allowed.
I know. Okay, I'm gonna come in. Okay, so I'm guessing no Butter.
Where?
Let me in. Let me in.
There's a little crack.
Let me in.
I'm gonna patch that crack up.
Let me in. No.
Make your own boat. This is mine.
Wait.
I'm gonna put a tiny campfire in here so I can be safe. I'm gonna place myself a throne because I deserve one. I got 35. I literally have 35 thrones.
How do you deserve it? Even though you kicked someone out of your house. Uh-oh.
Yeah, I don't care if I kick you out of my house.
I'm stuck.
It's my house. I locked the door.
I know. I don't know. I was inside the ground.
Are you gonna put your house? Aren't you gonna fall into the void?
No. As you said it.
Illegal?
What?
Isn't that illegal?
No.
Yes,
Evan, I think you should. I think you should scroll out and see what I'm doing.
Dude, why? Why are you doing this?
What?
Or I have a solution to your problem.
Don't you dare!
Don't you dare.
I have a block limit? What? A block limit?
Yeah, you're at the block limit, bro.
Oh.
Block limit's 200.
What?
I'm using all the 200 blocks.
Stop! No! What are you doing? Why could you do this?
Right there.
How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me? Look, wait, I'm on top of your thing. I'm surviving after all.
But I'm inside.
I know. Ooh.
Oh, look, you died. I'll see you when I get 1,000 gold and win.
Wait, 1,000?
Yeah, you get 1,000 gold for beating this.
No.
Dude, but you have to go to the end. You have to go to the end. I have to go to the end with this boat. Like this crappy boat.
Yeah, crappy boat. But I'm gonna.
We are gonna show you how I made this very crappy boat.
Oh, okay. Is I did it?
What is this guy doing?
I will make crappy boats tonight, and my mom will be so proud of me. My mom will scream at me and punch my face till it comes on bleeds.
My mom will scream at me like she.
And your mom will scream at you, and your mom will scream at you, and your mom will scream at you because you're a bad boy and you don't know what to do. Yeah! You're a bad boy.
Girl.
You're stuck in heaven. Yeah, yada, yada. Yeah, yada. What? What?
How about that? You're a bad girl.
How dare you?
You are a very bad girl. The baddest of the girls. You're the baddest of the girls. Did you know?
Hey guys, see me in the video. Bye.